Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will load the category in the list of multi-select category. We will use the same Ajax which is calling this category here. So we will go into the category then list. So open category controller, go to list, search for the Ajax which is loading the data. Here it is. Copy in this Ajax and go to the index. Use here that Ajax to load the category. Load category and paste here. It will get data and we will not render like this, but we will use this pattern. This pattern. We will use this pattern to load the data. Change the ID into category. Then we will add options like this. Render data is a global variable having nothing in it. Here it is the each loop. Whenever it gets started, first time we will pass this value in it, and for the each time it will load data like this, and the rest of the things get deleted. ID will be here. Like you can see, we are using value then this, value then this. We will use the same pattern here. Oops. Value dot ID and value dot whatever the value is there. Now see what is the value they are using as the ID, that is pcat ID, which we need to use pcat ID and the name, and that's it. Now after this we need to render that within the select hash get category and render this HTML under that. We don't need this, so we will remove it. Now once refresh the page, here we have category. Now all the category which are listed here will be populated automatically within this select drop down. Okay, yet it is not populated. Yes, we have an error here. We forget to remove these. Now we need to refresh once again. And it will load the data within the drop down. As you can see, OK cat and this. Let's remove all the dummy data and add relative data. Delete. Okay. WordPress, Arduino, MATLAB, C Sharp, tutorials, ASP.NET, MVC. So here we have the list. Now once refresh the page and see the list. Here you can see we have our real categories which we can use in our tutorial whenever we are creating a post. So this is developed. Now we need to add category here. So in the next tutorial we will see this, how we can add category in the data table. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.